back and just wrapping things up with a toast to moms. And our toast to mom is celebrating Sylvia Hunt and her daughter Diane Hunt. This lady is not a mom just yet. But we're celebrating the legacy of Sylvia Hunt. And to do that, we're taking a toast, ladies. We're taking a toast because these are the folks at Belvedere. We have master mixologist Tyrone Benjamin. When you want a drink, you call Tyrone.
So you want cocktails sometimes where it's very short and to the point. Yeah?
Why short?
Short because we facilitate everything short. Yeah?
One short joke, too much joke. Let's go.
All right. We're going to start with our spirit. This will be the base of the cocktail, lime juice. Add the sugar directly into the cocktail. Half a passion fruit.
So passion fruit and mango.
Yeah. Pineapple and all going in fresh.
All the fruits getting to know each other in there.
Yes.
If they didn't want to know each other, they're getting to know each other in there now.
For sure, for now. Yeah. Some ice into my mixing tin. Pour this over. Give this a nice long hard shake. Some soda. Passion fruit pulp.
This is a toast to mom and a toast to Auntie Sylvia. Cheers.